Hi guys! Thanks for coming to the show. Sorry I just got all up in your face. And then I did it again. Anyways, today we're going to work on a plate. And we're also going to make a jar that has a lid that you can unscrew and screw back on. So it's completely functional. Anyway, so we're going to work on that. And then we might do something else. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But that's what we've got going on for today. We haven't done these before, so it'll be fun. All right, let's do this. Okay, guys. So for today, I already mixed up the resin. We've got it right here. I'll try to show you. It is a violet purple, which is exactly what I used. This one is violet and this one is purple. Now remember, these are mica powders, so you want to make sure that you mix it really well, otherwise you're going to have little chunks and it's going to mess up your project, and well, for me it pisses me off. Anyways, so today we're going to make a plate, mainly because my buddy had a garage sale the other day and I put some of my stuff in there just to see if it would sell, and it sure did. So a lot of my stuff went, so now I gotta make more. So this is the plate mold. I got it on Amazon. I don't remember how much it was. I want to say maybe like 12 bucks, 13, something like that. Okay, so we're ready to go. And as usual, just a nice slow pour. Perfect. And I did not see one single chunk. All right, so for the next one, because I wanted to do a couple of different ones on this episode, I'm also gonna make a jar. I know I'm not gonna have enough purple, so I'll have to make some more, but we should have enough to do the lid. So we'll go ahead and get that going. Let's see. Can you, what if I move this? Can you see it? All right. So here we go. You know what? Hold on a minute. Okay, I just had to make sure I had it in there right, because otherwise it won't screw on. What a ding dong. All right, and so for the rest that I have left over, we'll go ahead and use that on the jar. And then I'll have to make more. Okay, so that's all I have left for that. So let me pause this and I'll make some more real quick. All right, so I think we are ready to go on our last batch here. We've got the resin mixed up. So we'll go ahead and finish pouring that in. Ah, nuts. Okay, so I mean, that looks great and all, but I still have a little bit left. You guys, do you remember on Looney Tunes, there was that character, the Tasmanian Devil, and he'd spin around real fast and he was a freaking psycho? So I was reading about them today, and it turns out they are little shits. And also, they have a super, super strong bite. So their bite force quotient is 181 points. And that's stronger than a hyena. But guess what else it's stronger than? A lion. It is 60 points higher than a lion. So that little shit can bite harder than a lion. Isn't that nuts? I mean, but you know, that's a pretty good name for him. Tasmanian Devil. Fits, right? Alright, I don't want to waste this last little bit of resin, so we're just gonna put it in a bracelet. But I'm also gonna put these little teal foil flakes in with it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. But we're doing it. Okay, can you see? All right, let's see. I think it's just about good enough. Ah, shit. Should have stopped while I was ahead, but I did not. Okay, so that's it. We made a bracelet, we made a jar, and we made a plate. So we're gonna wait the 24 hours. We'll come back and check and see how everything looks. All right, guys. First of all, let me apologize because I got fucking pizza all over my fat self, but anyways, just want to get that out of the way. We're going to do our reveal today. We have our bracelet. This is the jar and our plate. So we're just gonna start with the bracelet. Okay, I'm pretty excited. That looks awesome. Okay, I had some leftover of that purple and that teal. So I made, these are gonna be necklace pendants, but I thought they turned out pretty cute. Okay, so then next, let's do the jar. Okay, so here's the lid. Oh yeah, baby. That looks so nice. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do this one. It's nice and smooth. You know, I just realized that probably looked really gross. Sorry about that. Anyway, the jar turned out pretty cool. It's got some swirls. Can you see? So I think it turned out nice. All right, let's do our last one. Okay, the plate. Wow. That looks really cool. I like it. So yeah, this is what we made. We made our plate, we made our jar, and we made a bracelet. And then I also made this and this. Beautiful. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming. I really hope that you will subscribe, like, comment, share, all the above. Thank you again. We'll see you on the next one.